Hey guys, iPhone storage full. Here is how to transfer files to an external drive. Transferring files to an external drive is a great way to free up iPhone storage without losing your precious memories or important documents. You can move files directly from your phone to a compatible external drive using the built-in Files in Photos app. What you need: an external drive, USB-C flash drive, or an external SSD like the Samsung T7 works best. Adapter if needed. If you have an older iPhone with a lightning port, right, or lightning port, you will need a lightning to USB 3 camera adapter to plug in your drive. If your drive pulls too much power, you may also need a power USB hub. Newer USB-C iPhones connect to drives directly with the standard USB-C cable. Ensure your external drive is formatted as exFAT, APFS, or FAT32. NTFS is not supported by iOS. Step 2. Transfer photos and videos. Plug your external drive into your iPhone. Open the Photos app, right? And select the photos and videos you want to move. Now, let's say I'm going to choose this three. Gonna hit the share icon, right? The square with an upward arrow in the bottom left corner. Scroll down to find Save to Files, right? Then just locate where you want to save the files and then hit save eventually. Now, once you save the files, tap the back arrow at the top left until you see your locations, right? And select your external drive. Navigate to the correct folder, tap the three dots to create a new one, and tap save, right? That's in case of you want to just locate where you want to save the file. Note, this copies the media. You must go back to your Photos app to manually delete them and free up space. Now, open the Files app, okay, and ensure your drive is visible under locations in the browser or the Browse tab. Navigate to My iPhone, so like this. Go ahead to My iPhone, Downloads. Right now, press and hold on a file or folder. Right. So let's say, let me go back. Hold. Right. And you can select copy or select copy. And now go back to your Browse tab. Right. The bottom, tab your external drive, press and hold an empty space in the folder and select paste. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time.